Hi guys, I'm currently a university student in Japan and this is my first 2 days of back to university vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. These days the weather is starting to get chilly because of the rain. It has been raining constantly in Japan for a week now. I'm always watching something on YouTube when I'm getting ready. And these days I'm so into watching gameplays of Legend of Zelda. My face is so bloated today because I slept late yesterday. And these days I'm getting some pimples on my chin area. So I did my makeup in 10 minutes and now I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna decide my outfit. I'm gonna eat my dinner. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then go to the university. I'm not really good at styling my hair because I do it so randomly. My sister always tells me that my hair looks like Mike Wazowski's girlfriend's hair. So for the clothes, I'm gonna wear this, which I recently bought. I'm gonna wear my favorite jeans from Zara, and by the way, this is from Après-Dur, and this jeans is from Zara. And I think I'm gonna wear a shoes because it's raining today, and I'm gonna put on some accessories. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put silver. I think I'm gonna put silver because the buttons here are silver. So, and I think I'm gonna put these earring top. Okay, so my bread is toasted and I'm gonna drink this almond milk. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat everything and then head to school. We're done eating and me and Mai, we have the 5th period, so I'm so tired already. So it's our first day at the university. How do you feel?
I look like a frog.
How you feel, you frog?
So I'm actually very nervous.
but I do have a friend, and she's also new like me. She's also a new student, so I think I can learn together with her. Always wear your mask wherever you go. Hi guys, so it's actually the next day, and today I have one on-demand class and one in-person class. But before going to the in-person class, I have some time, so I'm going to get my eyelashes permed. After that, I'll be going to the university, and before that I'm gonna do some unboxing. Yay! So I don't know what's wrong with me, but this month, like, I ordered so many things from Town. Actually, this is like my last package from Town. I think I got a bag and jeans. Look at this. I'm so excited. So this is the bag which I bought. This is from Genesis, and it's a orange tie-dye bag. So I wanted to get a statement piece, so I got this bag. And it's my first time buying from Genesis, and the quality is really good. Okay, for the next item, I bought a jeans from this coat, and this is the jeans, and they have like this designs, like damaged designs. I just really liked the straight line here. I think it will make my short legs long. And yeah, like, it looks simple, but it has a playful side here, so I really like the design. So yeah, that was it for my unboxing. Hi guys, so I'm back home, and I also did a perm for my lower eyelashes as well. So as you can see here, my eyelashes are like So I think this perm is gonna stay for like a month. It looks good and I'm happy, and it's like 3 right now, and I have like a class, my online class, in 30 minutes. So before that, I'm gonna eat something. I got taco rice from 7-Eleven. Oh. Itadakimasu. Mmm.
はい、ということで時間ですね、10分取ります。ですから10分でですね、1から6メモをですね、自分のノートに書いてください。わかります、ね。はっきりと大きい声で言う。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。そうですね。
Me how long you spent, and I checked and it was 5 minutes. So my personal opinion is that manga doesn't necessarily have ancient origins.